Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add someone or how to find someone on the Google Chat application. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Google Chat application. You just need to visit the app library and just type chat on the search button and then just click to open it. And here is the result after you open the Google Chat application. So to add someone, you just need to take a look on this bottom features. So you just need to go click this part and you just need to type the email address of your friends that you want to chat. And after you found it, you just need to go click it and you can just start the chat with the friends that you already added into your Google Chat. So that is the way, guys, how to add someone to Google Chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.